Hey everybody, it's your pal Hubie here at Nissan of Cool Springs, and we've got an awesome truck to tell you about today. This is a lifted, brand new 2019 Titan Pro 4X, and as you can see, it's modded out. Customization features include 6-inch lift kit, 35-inch Yokohama tires on XD wheels, plus it has RC step sidebars. Other exterior features include full tow package, plus it has a spray-on bed liner and the Nissan Utilitrack system, in addition to a 120-volt AC outlet. As we look inside, we see this awesome interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats, heated rear seats with room for 3 passengers. As we look up front, we see that it has a Fender premium audio system, and it has plenty to offer in the way of electronics and convenience and safety items, including the around view backup camera system, plus it also has GPS navigation, Bluetooth, it also has Sirius XM radio, push button start, remote start, and so much more. Give us a call today and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here. Looking to finance your next vehicle? Well, no problem. Nissan of Cool Springs has a cool way to help you get that done. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today and save time at the dealership. We'll see you here.